Hello everyone, this is the channel and I am glad to be here explaining this interesting topic about tree diagrams. I know this is a difficult topic and I understand you are here for that reason. But I am going to say a little bit about this topic. I was taking this lesson in a course that was called Advanced Grammar, so that's why this topic is for those people that is studying English language in the college. So let's start. First of all, we are going to explain this definition with my own words because I know in internet there are a lot of definitions, but they are too complicated. That's why I am going to say that this diagram is just to learn the grammar of a language, in this case English, and is the way to understand the order of a sentence. It's just that. That's why I consider just first aspect in order to understand the tree diagrams. First of all, we need to understand parts of speech, then the structure. If you understand this, it is possible to see some examples and then practice. First, we need to understand this. Probably you were taking this lesson previous take tree diagram, but in case you don't understand, it's too important to understand because if you don't manage this, it is impossible to identify or do a tree diagram. That's why if you don't understand, let me know in the comment section because I will do a video explaining this topic. But we need to continue. This is the most important part in tree diagrams because here is explaining what we need to understand in order to make tree diagrams. As you can see, this part is written what is abbreviated in this part. A sentence needs a noun phrase, a verbal phrase. A noun, it is possible to find an article or determiner. An adjective phrase, this is mandatory, the noun and prepositional phrase. In a verbal phrase, it is possible to find an auxiliary, that probably is when you write negative or in these cases, mandatory verb and a noun phrase. And finally a prepositional phrase that of course it has a preposition and a noun phrase is possible. Here there are two examples. Pause the video and analyze because this is a good way to understand. So pause the video. If you don't understand the previous examples, don't worry, I have a long sentence in order to explain just with one example. As you can see, this is a long sentence. Here we have a sentence that is divided into two parts. First of all, we have a noun phrase, as you can see, and then a verbal phrase. But here, as you can see, the dog is divided into the two parts. The article or determiner that is the, and then the noun that is dog. By the other hand, the verbal phrase is divided into three parts. The verbal phrase that is jumped, then we have a noun phrase that is the window, and now we are going to write just noun phrase, and finally the prepositional phrase. Here we are going to divide the noun phrase that has an article and a noun, and finally a prepositional phrase that is a preposition that is of, and a noun phrase that is divided again into article and noun. And this is the correct way to explain a tree diagram. Now I have a challenge for you. Try to make these sentences. Let me know in the comment section if you are able to do it, but if not, don't worry. Write me because I am going to explain in another video. Here you can find more about what I was explaining. And now you know about tree diagrams. Thanks for watching.